Hey everybody, Scott here at Como Racing Enterprises. We got a customer car in a pretty special 1989 944 Turbo. So it has some goodie parts on it. One would be the M030 suspension. We sent the front struts up to have redone. And so here we are opening the box to check them out for the first time. That is pretty. They completely disassemble them. They replace any damaged parts inside or any worn parts inside, reseal, new oil, and then test them. And painted, of course, in that pretty Kona yellow with the new decal. Nice little dyno there.
I think customers are going to be pretty stoked on those.
I would have to say so.
I can see the envy in your eyes.
They even smell good, like fresh paint. Well, these things are prettier than I expected. Shout out to Performance Shock up in Sonoma, California for doing a great job. We're super excited to get them on the car and delivered back to the customer. I think he's going to be super excited about them. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all later. Well, there you have it.